A straight line L1 has equation y equals 3x minus 6. The straight line L2 is perpendicular to L1, so we're thinking negative reciprocal, and passes through the point 6, 2. Part A, find the equation for L2 in the form y equals mx plus c, where m and c are constants. So, like I just said, if L2 is perpendicular to L1, then it has the negative reciprocal gradient. The gradient of L1 is 3, which means the gradient of L2 will be minus 1 over 3. Minus 1 over 3 is the negative reciprocal of 3. So I can now say that y equals mx plus c. We know it passes through the point 6, 2, so let's substitute the 2 in instead of the y coordinate, and we'll substitute 6 in instead of the x coordinate. Minus 1/3 times 6 is minus 2, so c is 4. So the equation of line L2 is y equals minus 1/3 x plus 4, and we can leave our answer like that. We're then told that the lines L1 and L2 intersect at the point C. So intersecting, we're thinking simultaneous equations between L1 and L2. So I think we will just substitute the 3x minus 6 in instead of the y here. So we can say 3x minus 6 is equal to minus 1/3 x plus 4. I don't like the look of that fraction, so let's times through by 3 to get rid of it. We'll add x to both sides, and we'll add 18 to both sides. So x is 3. To work out the y coordinate, we can substitute 3 into either of those original equations. I think it's easier to substitute it into the L1. So 3 times 3, take away 6, is 3. So C is the coordinate 3, 3. Lines L1 and L2 cross the x-axis at points A and B respectively. Calculate the exact area of triangle ABC. So L1 crosses the x-axis at A, and L2 crosses the x-axis at B. Let's work out those coordinates. We know they cross the x-axis when y equals 0. So for point A, we're going to take the L1 equation and make the y 0. So x is 2. So point A is the coordinate 2, 0. For point B, we're going to take the L2 equation. And again, to work out where it intersects with the x-axis, we're going to make y 0. Add the 1/3 x to both sides, times by 3. And so point B is the coordinate 12, 0. Now I know the coordinates of A, B and C. Let me just draw a very quick sketch so I can picture triangle ABC, and then hopefully I can see how to calculate its area. So point A is the coordinate 2, 0. Point B is the coordinate 12, 0. And point C is the coordinate 3, 3. So here is the triangle that we're trying to work out the area of. I can now calculate the area of that pretty easily because I can do half base times height. The base of the triangle is this length here, which is going to be 10 because 12 take away 2. The height of the triangle is going to be this here. Remember, it has to be perpendicular height, which is just going to be the y coordinate of point C. So half 10 times 3 is 15. And so that's the area of triangle ABC.